Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for having me. Today I'll be presenting UI-Ecommerce, a Flutter mobile application implementing the front-end user interface of an e-commerce storefront. I want to be upfront about the scope. This is a UI-focused project that the emphasis is on screen composition, widget architecture, navigation flow, and client-side state management. Not back-end service or payment processing, product and chat data are served from local fixture in lib data. So there's currently no live API integration. The goal here is to demonstrate a clean, scalable front end architecture that the back-end team could look into later. Before I walk through the app, a quick note on the stack. This is built with Flutter and .SDK. State management is handled with a provider. Navigation uses curved navigation bar for the primary bottom nav and page handles the card count indicator. You'll see on the card icon, I choose the stack specifically because it keeps state management lightweight and predictable. No over engineering for what ultimately a demonstration. Let's start the world's first is authentication. You can log in or maybe register and password change script, all backed by an auth provider. So you can put your email, for example, it's not use a real email, it's a fake or dummy email. It's not my real email. Okay, notice the form foundation and the transition state. These are just static screens. The provider tracks out state and drive what the user sees next. Once authenticated, users land on product discovery, the home screen. This present categories, a search bar, and a product grid. And the grid layout here is intentionally responsive. I'll show you that in the code shortly. This is the screen most user will spend the most time on. So the browsing experience needed to feel fast and uncluttered. Okay. So the code is inside of homepage dart. Make some widget and also some class for that. Okay, maybe only that in this section, and then go to the next one again. Yep, tapping into product brings up product detail, imagery, description, and the add to cart action. For example, I will I would like to buy fried chicken maybe, and I will add it to cart. That action fits directly into the cart, where line item management and the order summary are handled by cart provider. Wait a minute. Okay. So notice the beach count uh, updates in real time. That's the beach package reacting to cart provider. Notify listener. Beyond the core commerce loop, there's a messaging feature, a conversation list, and detail view simulating buyer-seller chat. This is here to run the storefront experience. A lot of e-commerce apps live or die on post purchase communication. So I wanted the UI to account for that even with a big app. And for the last screen is account with a profile headers and a set list. Nothing exotic here, but it completes to the navigation loop. Now let's look under the hood. Source is organized by responsibility under lib. Models, uh, wait, models, plain data classes like product and cart item, and there's also providers inside of here. Change identifier, state container like the two I have mentioned before. And then the page is, yep, the page full screen row widgets, and also widget reusable presentational components, and then data static seed data standing in for a real API, and also them. Okay, centralized colors, typography and styling constants, and the last one is utils, helper function. uh, to summarize, we have covered the full commerce journey: authentication, discovery, product detail, cart, messaging, and account, all built on provider-driven architecture that's ready to be connected to a real backend. Happy to take any question or go deeper into any specific screens or provider. Maybe that's all from me. Sorry for my mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.